Welcome. Here are the answers for the Everyday Mathematics section of the SOF IMO Exam 2019-20 Part 2 for Class 7 Set B. In Part 1 Logical Reasoning and for the Achievers section I have already given the answer keys. Let's go. Question number 36.
Let Ram's age be X. We have given Ram's father's age is 3 years more than 2 times of Ram's age. Ram's is equal to x plus 3. 2x plus 3. Ram's father's age is 45. 2x plus 3 is equal to 45. We have get the answer A.
Question number 37. You are given a rectangular lawn of measuring 44 meter by 32 meter. Let's draw this a rectangular, and outside this rectangular lawn there is a path of 4 meter wide. So this 44 by 32 is covered with a 4 meter wide path or road. So to find the path or the area of the path, we have to consider this outer rectangle, calculate the area of this outer rectangle, then calculate the area of the lawn and subtract this area of the lawn from the outside rectangular area. So we have the 4 meter wide path. So 44 plus 4 plus 4 on both the side. So we are getting 44 plus 8, that is 52 as the one side of the rectangle. Another dimension we required 32 plus 4 plus 4. So it gives you 32 plus 8. So now we can calculate the area of the outside rectangle 52 by 32 plus 8, that is A 40. So this gives you the area of the outer rectangle. Now calculate the area 44 by 32 of the lawn and subtract this from previous area. So this gives you the answer required for the area of the path, and this comes out to be 672 meters square. So this is the correct answer, option D.
Question number 38. There are some butterflies and flowers. Here are given two statements. Let's consider first option 3 or 4. We have 3 flowers and 4 butterflies. If one butterfly land on each flower, then one will be left. It's correct. Let's see second statement. If 2 butterflies land on each flower, then one flower will be left. Yes, it is also correct. Then the correct option is option A.
Let's go for the question number 39. If the 65% of the people in a meeting are the males, so the remaining percentage is for the females, and the number of females are given as 504. So we have to calculate the number of males in the meeting. So 65 is given for the male, so 100 minus 65, that gives you the female count. 100 minus 65, so it is 35. So 35% are the female, and how we can write the 35%? 35 into x divided by 100 is given as 504. To solve this equation, you will get the value of x, that is the total number of people in the meeting. And from this value of x, you can calculate the value of males, total number of males, as it is 65%. So 65 into the value of x divided by 100 gives you the male count. So in this case, we have obtained the value of x as 1440. So to calculate the count of male, 1440 into 65 and divide by 100. So we are calculating the percentage. Answer is option D. Question number 40. Two jackets were bought at the same cost. One was sold at a profit of 9%. So you have given the two profits 9% and the 15%. So you need to calculate the profit. The profit is calculated as the difference of selling price minus the cost price. And again, you have given the percentage profit. So percentage profit is equal to the profit in 200 divided by the cost price. Use this formula at 2 times for the 9% and for the 15%. So you will get two equations. Here we have one cost price, but you have the two different selling price, and the difference between two selling price of both the jackets were given as 105 rupees. So you will get two equations, 109 Cp equal to 100 Sp1. Sp1 is the selling price for the first 9% profit. Sp2 is the second selling price for the profit of 15%. So you have got these two equations. Subtract these two equations as you know the Sp1 minus Sp2. So 109 and minus 115, you are taking the positive difference as the cost values are always positive. So 115 minus 109, you are getting 6 Cp cost price equal to 108 into 105 as the difference of Sp1 minus Sp2. So Cp is equal to 1750. So the answer option B is the correct answer. Question number 41. After traveling 27 km, Karan found that 3/5 of the journey was still left. Means he has to travel 27 km plus 3 by 5 of the total, that is x we assume here, equal to the total journey, that is x. So now you have got the equation. Rearrange the equation and calculate the value of x. That will give you the distance of his whole journey. So 5 into 27 plus 3x equal to 5x you will get, and then you will solve this. 3x and equal to 5x hai, so 5x minus 3x you will get 2x, and divide it with 27 into 5 by 2. So this will give you the answer as 67.5 kilometer. Let's see, 27 into 5 is 135 divided by 2. Option D is the answer. Question number 42. Priyanka has 8 red hair clips and 12 green hair clips. So the total number of hair clips are 8 plus 12. It is 20, and she has to select the hair clip randomly, that is of green color, and there are 12 green hair clips. So 12 divided by the total clips, 12 divided by 20, gives out the probability required as 3 by 5. So the option D is the correct answer for question number 42. Let's solve the question number 43. The tower is broken at a height of 12 meters, so we can draw the 12 meter of tower, and it is broken at 12 meter and touches to the ground at the 5 meter from the base of the tower. So you can see here the tower is at the 90-degree to the floor, so we can use the Pythagoras theorem to solve this. The slanting side or the broken side of the tower can be calculated with the Pythagoras theorem. 12 square plus 5 square, so 144 plus 25, it gives you 169, which is the 13 square. So 13 is the remaining portion of the tower which is broken, so 12 plus 13 is the answer. So you are getting 25 meter as the total height of the tower. So the option D is the correct answer. This is how you can solve this problem. Now let's go solve another problem. 44. A submarine is 397 feet below the sea level. So below the sea level 397 is given, and the helicopter is 1964 feet above the sea level. So total addition of these two values gives you the distance between the helicopter and the submarine, and it comes out to be 2361 feet. As the answer for this question is the option A, 2361 feet. Option A. Question number 45. Simran has a certain sum deposited in the bank at 5% and also have the same sum deposited at 9%. So two rate of interests are given. R1 is 5, R2 is 9, and these are they have kept for the annual. So T equal to 1 as the time period. You have to calculate the principal amount. You are given the simple interest S1 and S2 for these two interests. We will get we are getting the two equations. 100 into S1 equal to 5p, 100 S2 equal to 9p. So subtract this two. S1 minus S2 is given as 220, and 9p minus 5p equal to 4p. So 100 into 220 divided by 4, it gives you the principal amount as 5500, as the correct answer is B option. Thank you and stay tuned. I will be uploading for the remaining section.